Welcome to the Chemistry Polar. Today I am going to discuss about the one of the important job recruitment, that is Indian Oil Corporation Limited. In Indian Oil Corporation Limited, that is IOCL, there is a vacancy for the junior quality control analyst and junior engineering assistant post. Okay, now let's discuss detail about this. The online registration of application commence on 12th October 2020 and close date is 7th November 2020. The link of the online registration of the application has been hosted on the website, that is www.iocl.com and www.iocrefre, that is recruitment.in. Okay, this link I will provide you in the description box. Then the written test is likely to be held on the 29th November 2020 on Sunday. Okay, now let's discuss about the requirement of experienced non-executive personnel. Okay, that is post code 101 for the junior engineering assistant, that is fourth for the production department. For the production, total vacancy is 49. There is a very much important opportunity for the engineer. Okay, having the total 49 vacancies. Okay, in which 22 vacancy for the unreserved category, for EWS category 5 vacancy, for SC category 9 vacancy, and OBC non-criminal having the 13 vacancy. Now let's move towards our junior quality control analyst fourth. Okay, this is for the BSc in chemistry, physics or math. Okay, total number of vacancies 1 and this vacancy for the unreserved category. Now let's check qualifications and experience criteria. Okay, name of the post code, qualification, that is full-time regular course only from the Indian universities or institute, and area of experience. Now the criteria for the junior quality control analyst is BSc with physics, chemistry or industrial chemistry and mathematics with minimum of 50% mark in the aggregate for general and OBC candidate. Okay, and 45% in case of the SC or PWD candidate against reserve or identified for the PWD position. Okay, then for the experience, about experience, minimum 1 year of post qualification experience in handling instrument like HPLC, XRF, WD, XRF, GC. Then just 1 second. Okay, GC, okay, HPLC, XRF, WD, XRF, GC, ICAP, IAS, auto analyzer, flashpoint, etc. in the petroleum refinery or petrochemical or heavy chemical or gas processing industry or fertilizer or power plant or large industrial establishment. Okay, these are the criteria for the BSc candidate. Now they are given the important instruction. Okay, you can read from the description box. Then next important point is age limit. Okay, age limit or relaxation for the candidate belonging to SC, OBC or PWD or ex-serviceman. Okay, now the minimum 18 year and maximum age shall be 26 year for the general candidate as on the 31st October 2020. Okay, that is certificate issued by the Board of Secondary Education for the passing matriculation or higher secondary shall be the only acceptable document in support of the proof of age. Okay, this is very important for candidates. Now the date of reckoning eligibility criteria, that is the date for the purpose of the profession of qualification and experience and meeting age criteria shall be 31st October 2020. Okay, then pay and perk. The next point is selection methodology. Okay, selection, the selection methodology will be comprise written test. Okay, that is written test on the tentative date is 29th November 2020. Okay, and skill or proficiency or physical test, that is SPPT. The SPPT will be of the qualifying nature. The candidate will have to secure a minimum of 40% mark in the written test to qualify for further consideration. Okay, the minimum qualification for qualifying mark in the written test will be relaxed by 5% for candidate belonging to SC or PWD category considered against the reserve position. Then what about the, okay, at most of the point here cover. Then about salary. Okay, the next point is about salary. The salary for this post is, that is below mentioned, that is for the junior engineering assistant and junior quality control analyst. Salary is in between the range 25,000 to 1 lakh 5,000. Okay, that is online application are invited from bright, young and energetic person of Indian nationality for the following post in the pay scale of 25,000 to 1 lakh 5,000. This is the range of the pay scale. Now this is all about this post. It is Indian post from Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Okay, IOCL. So like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Chemistry RRR. Thank you for watching video.